Santos from NewCom Audio Video Systems, and today we're at the InfoComm show here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, InfoComm is a show that they have once a year, and all the big tech manufacturers when it comes to LED screens, microphones, pro audio, video, networking, all those devices come together, and all those big manufacturers and installers and exhibitors are here today. So we're going to walk through the show and give you some highlights, some product information, and let you know some of the cool things and cool tech coming along. The show takes place at the Las Vegas Convention Center, and once you're inside, the scale really hits you. As I walked the floor, I checked out the vendors across audio, video, networking, and control systems. Everywhere you turn, there's new tech, hands-on demos, and real-world solutions for integrators. Video wall technology was everywhere at the show, with major manufacturers like Unilumin, LG, and Sony showcasing their latest indoor and outdoor LED solutions. The improvements in brightness, clarity, and fine pitch performance were noticeable. And at the pace this tech is moving, it won't be long before video wall displays start showing up in more homes. One company that really stood out was Vanguard. They were demonstrating a unique rollable LED screen, a display that raises and lowers like a projector screen, but with LED embedded directly into the material. Their team broke down the engineering behind it in a really clear and practical way, and it was one of the more innovative concepts on the floor. As I moved through the audio side of the show, I checked out speaker solutions from Bose, JBL, and Sonance, each showing off their latest commercial and architectural lines. I also had the chance to sit in on the Bose commercial audio demo, and it really showcased how controlled and even their coverage is in real-world environments. It was a great way to hear the systems the way they were meant to perform. Since Ubiquiti is a big part of my installations, I stopped by their booth to check out their latest updates. They were showing new unified gateways, Wi-Fi 7 access points, upgraded Protect cameras, and their expanding access line, including door controllers and gate control options that tie directly into their unified ecosystem. It's great to see how these pieces are coming together for full property integration. There are a lot of emerging technologies here in InfoComm, and while it can be very, very daunting and confusing, what we try to do is bring the complex and make it simple and easy to understand. If you have any questions about our products or services or technology in general, be sure to give us a call. We can be reached at 609-397-6838 or 239-243-0486, or by going to our website, www.newcomav.com.